only see that she has one.
Yeah, there's only one. There's 3 languages.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Why don't you grab that? And you're so I saw 3 of the hydrangeas, that little line. Can you look and see how many peonies I have?
Sure.
I think on the design here,
Okay.
I think I have just 3. These are huge. They're the Ito. Do you say Ito or do you say Ito? Ito peony. Ito? Ito. Oh, I better say Ito.
I'll go look.
What's this? I can't remember.
Baby gem. I'll go look.
3 baby generals, 2nd.
Did you
Green.
Grand Brandy.
Grand candy, yeah, 7 grand candy.
Okay.
3 baby gem.
2, 4, 6, 8? Did you get 8, Ajuga? Oh, you already did. You're ahead of me. The only thing I know about those Itos, you have to give it at least 4 feet.
Okay. So I need. Oh, I need 3.
Who's this, Holly?
This is Clemente
Hello.
from Dream Landscapes. He does this beautiful work. Rock walls, bubbler fountains, paver patios, or natural flagstone patios. Beautiful walkways. Anyway,
Great.
I enjoy working with him. So
Good.
this is Clemente.
Thank you.
I know.
You want to? Shall we do 2 of the same one? Berry charm over there.
Yeah.
Berry charm. I thought I got Hillary. We're in Canby, Oregon. Yeah, this is my 2nd project with this client. So, yeah.
They hired you back.
Yep, they did. She's fun.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
See how nice it looks against dark, you know?
Yeah.
So I'd say go back and group that again.
Do you want to do like a group of them on the side and a group of mine for
Okay, are these in the right places? Yeah, I got 1, 2. Are there only 4 or are there 5? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
top them to 8.5, so hold on. 8.5 is where this is gonna go. Next. Now
Yeah,
let's
you
get
just send
some
that.
next.
I don't mind a few of the naphtals, like 1, 2, 3. There's 5. How many did I put down? 6? I like you like that. Try to get right to that. And then move forward on the other side of the line. Yeah. Okay, move forward. Move that way. Okay, and sushi. Up to the rock. Okay, and sushi. Up to the rock. Up to the rock. Oh, okay, now.
Who's helping us today?
Well, I have Maya, my design assistant, and my new design assistant, Savannah, Pina, and me. Holly, Stickley.
Great. And how's it going today?
It's going pretty good.
Yeah.
There's always some frustration here and there, just trying to get it perfect. It's a little different than what you see on the paper, so
Yeah.
yeah. But
I like
it's going
Savannah's
good.
hat,
Yeah.
Thank you.
and I like Maya's sunglasses.
Kelly Farmers. Kelp farmers.
Oh yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay, we got to get back to
Okay, go.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Right.